If you have shared files with others and you want to modify sharing options or remove the sharing entirely, then what you have to do is you have to go on to your web login onto Dropbox.com just like this. And then you have to go to files right over here. And then under files, you'll be able to see that they're shared as an option. So simply click on shared right over here. So once you go over there, you'll be able to see the files and folders that you shared. So right now you can see right over here that I have txt folder right over here, which is shared. So let me just close this. I want to change the sharing settings. In order to do that, I can go over here on to the right hand side where there's the three dot icon right here. I can simply click on this and then click on share right over here. So once I do that, I'll be able to see my sharing settings right over here. I can add in more users so that I can collaborate with them, or I can remove this out. So you can see right over here that now I'm the owner, and over here you can see that the other account can edit this out. I can just change that to view over here, and that changes the member access. So they only will be able to view the files now. They won't be able to make any changes. If you want to transfer the ownership, you can just make them the owner of the folder as well. Or if you don't want them to have the sharing or view, or you don't want them to view the files anymore, you can simply click on remove, and you can see that remove option is there. So you remove your TutorTube second account. If you remove, then they won't be able to make future changes to the shared folder. And let's say I want to remove. You can also let the other user keep a copy of the shared folder, but if you don't want that, you can simply click on remove, and the account will be removed right over here, as you can see. So you can see there the folder access is removed right over there. So the link is still there, but you can also remove the entire folder from Dropbox as well. And that is how you can modify sharing options and remove sharing options inside of Dropbox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.